Heads up, gentlemen. As it says on Thunderbirds, anything could happen in the next 5 minutes. Scratch that, 5 seconds.
Don't let it get anywhere near you, Craig. I'll shoot it down.
But it's American.
Yeah. Well, the Russians will shoot it down.
Okay. Where's the wind?
Crosswind, Greg.
Ooh.
You've got to be over there somewhere, mate. On the other side. Coming towards you.
On the dark side.
Oh, good, yeah, on the dark side. Coming round a bit.
Straight across the runway.
Yeah.
Well, here goes nothing.
Throttle active.
Yay!
Well. So I have the gyro on, which has possibly helped. Let's see if we can calm it down a bit. I didn't put a carbon spar in the wings. I couldn't find a way of easily doing it. And I think I'm in danger of them folding in half. There's only a very light breeze, but obviously being such a small plane, that is buffeting it a little. What happens perhaps if we go up a little bit and put it into
stabilize mode.
So it's fully stabilized now. This obviously affects the amount of throws that we can put on it, but you can see the gyros working well there. Yeah, it's a quick little bugger, just over half throttle. No idea what sort of battery time we're going to be getting.
0 volts.
I don't have telemetry on this one. Nippy little thing. Propeller on the back was definitely the way to go. Well, as per the original, I guess. So fully stabilized mode with the Byme-A Gyro. Try not to go into the sun. That would be a very bad idea. Not sure what flight time has been, but must be getting fairly close to the edge. I do love my telemetry. This little model wouldn't carry that. I'm having a lot of fun with it, keeping me occupied, that's for sure. Woohoo! I don't know. Thought I was going in there. I think probably blooming flies. Probably discretion being the better part of valor. Let's try and get her down. Not in the bush. It'll have to be this time, I think. I've got a crosswind on the runway. Ooh. Whoa, not a particularly graceful landing. bounced the battery out there, but very happy with that. You're on camera, Andy.
Camera.
On candid camera for YouTube.
YouTube.
So Andy's the gentleman that kindly donated this craft to me. Did you ever think it would fly like that?
No, that's really good.
Really well. I've got one like that as well. You can adapt
Really
that if
good.
you like.
Yeah. Very pleased with that.
Yeah.
I need
You
to...
put the rockets on it as well, like.
that will make all the difference, absolutely. So, first really successful flight of the little Predator. I have to play back the video to find out what the time was, so let's just check the battery. A little 450 milliampere graphene pack, and unbelievably, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, 11.56 volts, 49% left. Had more time in there. You can perhaps just see there the little Byme-A Gyro and a tiny little receiver there, which is XM Plus FR Sky. There we go, definitely the latest mods being the elevators and putting the gyro in, flying in stabilised mode, a result. Many thanks for watching.